A very good morning, one and all present over here. I, Satyam Khare, welcome you all on behalf of ISF College of Pharmacy in the ISF CP Dialogue Series under the aegis of IQAC and IIC of ISF CP Moga, Punjab. So, friends, today we have Professor Dr. Ashish Jain sir as our expert of the day. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So Dr. Ashish Jain sir is working as professor and head Department of Pharmaceutics, School of Pharmacy at Allen City University, Bhopal, MP. In the field of pharmacy, sir has done his bachelor's from Scope College of Pharmacy, affiliated to RGPV Bhopal in 2004. His master's from KLES College of Pharmacy, affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bangalore in 2007, with specialization of pharmaceutics. He has completed his PhD from Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University of Hyderabad in the field of pharmaceutical sciences in 2014. And his area of research are novel drug delivery system, transdermal drug delivery system, iontophoresis, biopharmaceutics, etc. He has more than 15 years of experience in teaching and more than 11 years of experience in the field of research. Sir also published 93 articles in national or international level journals and a book also he is published. Sir also has some patents among them 7 published and 3 filed. Sir guided 8 PhD students and 26 master's students. Sir has achievements and awards, so many achievements and awards. He received Best Academician Award 2023 by IPGA during International Conference 6th May 2023 at DAVV Indore. He received Achiever Award 2023 for Outstanding Achievement in Patents and Research Innovation by LNCT Group on 15th March 2023. He also received a Gurukul Academician Award 2022 for Best Research Supervisor during International Award Conference organized by JS University, Mainpur, Shikohabad on 20th November 2022. Distinguished Professor Award by Indian Pharmaceutical Association on 2nd of October 2021. Excellence Award in Pharmacy Education by Bansal Group, PCI sponsored National Conference on 21st Feb 2020. Best Parent Award by Kamala Nehru Higher Secondary School, Bhopal in 2017-18. Also received an Excellence Award for Excellence in Teaching by Bansal Group in 2012. Faculty Development Program, he achieved like, approx 26. He attached in the seminar conferences that attended 98. Grant received 5. Membership of professional bodies 5. Approved PhD supervisor at LNCT University, Bhopal. Member of Board of Studies and Examination Committee at LNCT University, Bhopal. Sir has very vast knowledge in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and hope today's lecture will be very helpful and beneficial to our students as well as pharma professionals. So I request you, sir, to please start your lecture.
Thank you, Satyam sir. Firstly, I would like to say thanks to ISF College of Pharmacy and Director GD Gupta sir, Chairman sir, and Vice Principal sir for inviting me such a wonderful platform to give my speech on this topic. So today I am going to speak on the topic electrical assisted transdermal drug delivery system. So, learning objective of today's topic, after attending this webinar, learner will be able to define the terminology related to iontophoresis, understand the iontophoretic system and how it works, understand the necessity of development of novel drug delivery system, understand the mechanism of permission through escape by iontophoresis, discuss factor affecting iontophoresis, no commonly used electrode for iontophoresis, know about the iontophoretic marketed product, understand the pharmacokinetic of ion transfer, and learn how to design the study for the iontophoretic. So, what is electrical assisted transdermal drug delivery system or iontophoretic drug delivery system? In this, the drug or molecule therapeutic agent move with the electric current. That means moving the medication with electric current is called the iontophoresis. The term iontophoresis is simply defined as ion transfer. Ionto means ion and phoresis means transfer. It is electrically assisted transdermal drug delivery system. Iontophoresis can be defined as permeation of ionized drug molecule across the biological membrane under the influence of electric current. So basically it is the transdermal drug delivery system, but there are many challenges in transdermal drug delivery system in conventional type of transdermal drug delivery system, like barrier function of skin restrict the many drug, and drug must have desirable physicochemical property to penetrate through the stratum cornea. Poor skin permeability limit the number of drug, and TDS cannot deliver the ionic drug. Drug of large molecular size cannot formulated as transdermal drug delivery system, and TDS cannot deliver the drug in pulsatile acid. These are various disadvantages we can say or limitation of transdermal drug delivery system. So these limitations open door for the development of advanced transdermal drug delivery system such as iontophoresis. Now, what is iontophoretic system or what is the basic component of iontophoretic system? Iontophoretic system comprise three basic components. First one is the source of electronic current. Power supply. It contains the battery and controlled electronics. Second one is the active reservoir. And third one is the indifferent or return reservoir system, which contain the electrolyte and serve to complete the circuit. So therapeutic agent contain in the active drug reservoir. Both the reservoir system place on the skin. सबसे पहले दोनों को हम स्किन पर प्लेस करते हैं. Then battery switch on, current flow to active reservoir. Active reservoir से current flow होगा. It contain the therapeutic agent and it flow through the active reservoir through the skin and toward the indifferent electrode reservoir. Electronic current transformed back to return electrode for completing the circuit. इस तरीके से सर्किट कंप्लीट हो जाता है और ड्रग का एब्जॉर्प्शन हो जाता है. हाउ इट वर्क? इलेक्ट्रोड प्लेसमेंट इज डिपेंड ऑन द इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज ऑफ आयन विच आर ट्राइंग टू डिलीवर. पॉजिटिव आयन को डिलीवर करना है, नेगेटिव आयन को डिलीवर करना है, उस पर डिपेंड करता है. ये पॉजिटिव आयन विल बी डिलीवर्ड फ्रॉम द पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रोड and negative ion will be delivered by the negative electrode. Electrical energy assists the movement of ion across the stratum corneum according to the basic electrical principle. Like charge repel each other and opposite charge attract each other. इस basic fundamental पे basic principle पे वर्क करता है. Like charge repel each other और opposite charge attract each other. So in this diagram we can see that as the current applied to the drug cation are repelled into the skin. अगर पॉजिटिव आयन है और पॉजिटिव एनोड के अंदर रखेंगे तो लाइक चार्ज रिपेल ईच अदर, पॉजिटिव आयन रिपेल होंगे एंड देन इट विल बी एब्जॉर्ब इनटू द सिस्टमिक सर्कुलेशन. So in this animated diagram we have placed the positive ion under the anode drug reservoir, or as the battery switch on the positive ion will be repelled and it will get absorbed into the systemic circulation. So selection of appropriate ion and selection of electrode is important in case of iontophoretic drug delivery system. So necessity of development of novel drug delivery system. क्या जरूरत है, क्यों हम novel drug delivery system को डेवलप करना चाहते हैं? There are many problems associated with the oral drug delivery system, include uneven biodistribution and decomposition due to the hepatic first effect, low absorption of drug, short half-life necessitating the frequent dosing, and necessity of large dose to achieve local concentration, adverse side effect due to such high concentration and low stability. These are the basic main problem that is associated with the oral drug delivery system can be rectified by the transdermal or endoprotective delivery system. Since most of drugs suffer from disadvantage of extensive first pass metabolism and variable bioavailability, they are considered ideal transdermal candidate. Moreover, drug input can be terminated at any time, any point of time by removing the transdermal patch or by just cutting the electronic current supply. So we can terminate the drug delivery anytime. Advantage of endoproduct delivery system include first, it is the invasive technique. It avoids the risk and inconvenience of parenteral therapy. It prevents variation in the absorption. It increases efficacy of the drug. It chances of over or underdosing of drug with short biological half-life. Rapid termination of medication is possible, less pain and anxiety, and better compliance because of the delivery system. Now, how I enhance the transdermal drug delivery system? It enhances the transdermal drug delivery flux by three mechanisms. First, flux due to electrochemical potential gradient across the skin, that is called the electromigration. सेकेंड, चेंजेज इन स्किन परमिबिलिटी. जब हम इलेक्ट्रिक करंट अप्लाई करते हैं तो स्किन परमिबिलिटी भी चेंज हो जाती है, जिसके कारण पैसिव परमिशन भी इंक्रीज हो जाता है. चेंज इन स्किन परमिबिलिटी ड्यू टू द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अप्लाई, दैट इज J passive. And third, electroosmotic water flow and resultant solvent drag, that means electroosmotic or J convective. So total endoprotect flux is the total of J electric, J passive and J convective. Various factors that affect the endoprotect drug delivery system include operational factors and biological factors. So under the heading of operational factor, composition of formulation affect the endoprotect delivery system, like concentration क्या है, pH क्या है, ionic strength क्या है, और presence of coion. If coion is present, it compete the drug ion for the delivery of the drug. So, and other factors such as physicochemical property of permeate like molecular weight, charge, polarity, current density, of treatment or electrode material also affect the permission by the endoprotect delivery system. Factor also affect the regional blood flow, skin pH and condition of skin. So these are various factors that affect the endoprotect delivery system. Commonly electrode used for endoprotect delivery include एल्यूमिनियम फॉयल. कौन कौन से मटेरियल के इलेक्ट्रोड हम यूज कर सकते हैं, उसमें एल्यूमिनियम फॉयल, प्लेटिनम फॉयल और सिल्वर क्लोराइड इलेक्ट्रोड. So a better choice of electrode is silver chloride because it minimizes electrolysis of water during the drug delivery. Better choice silver chloride का है, जो कि हम यूज करते हैं endoprotect drug delivery system में. Commercially electrode is also available. Electrode have a small chamber covered by a semi-permeable membrane into which the ionized solution is injected, and the electrode self-adhere to the skin. So to reduce the cost, we can use the commercial available electrode. Just we have to fill the drug solution in the electrode chamber. So we can minimize the cost of and system. These are the various photographs how to prepare the electrode and how to apply the electrode. So in this way we can apply the electrode. Size and shape of electrode can cause variation in current density. Size is important and shape is also important electrode का. Smaller size, higher density. जितना छोटा इलेक्ट्रोड होगा उतनी ज़्यादा करंट डेंसिटी होगी और उतने ज़्यादा बर्निंग के चांस होंगे. तो we have to increase the size of electrode. Electrodes should be separated by at least the diameter of active electrode. Wider separation minimize the superficial current density and decreasing the chances of burn. थोड़ा सा सेपरेशन ज़्यादा होगा तो बर्निंग के चांसेस उसमें कम रहते हैं. वैसे फिजियोलॉजिकल एक्सेप्टेबल करंट हम इसमें अप्लाई करते हैं, so there is very less chances of burning. Dose of medication मिली एम्पियर मिनट ml MA मिनट में हम डोज को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. टोटल डोज डिलीवर्ड करंट इनटू द ट्रीटमेंट टाइम. टाइपिकली आइंडोप्रोसेस ड्रग डोज इज 40 मिली एम्पियर मिनट ये डोज होती है जनरली. तो इसकी डोज को एक्सप्रेस करने की यूनिट मिली एम्पियर मिनट. नाउ फार्माकोकाइनेटिक ऑफ आयन ट्रांसफर. Transdermal iontophoresis deliver the medication at a constant rate so that the effective plasma concentration maintained within the therapeutic window for extended period of time. It deliver the medication at a constant rate. Constant rate पे मेडिसिन को डिलीवर करता है जिससे लंबे समय तक के लिए थेरापेटिक विंडो के अंदर हम थेरापेटिक कंसंट्रेशन को, इफेक्टिव कंसंट्रेशन को मेंटेन करके रख सकते हैं. Iontophoresis appear to overcome the resistive property of skin to charge ion. Resistive property भी decrease हो जाती है, कम हो जाती है. Iontophoresis decrease the absorption lag time while increasing the delivery rate when compared with the passive skin application. Lag time, absorption lag time भी iontophoresis के केस में कम हो जाता है. Iontophoresis provide both spiked and sustained release of drug. कैसा भी आपको एक्शन चाहिए, सस्टेन चाहिए, स्पाइक एक्शन चाहिए, तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ आइंटोप्रोटेक वी कैन गेट. द रेट एट विच द आयन मे बी डिलीवर्ड इज डिटरमाइंड बाय द नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर लाइक कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ आयन, पीएच ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन, मोलिकुलर साइज ऑफ द सॉल्यूट, करंट डेंसिटी, ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द ट्रीटमेंट. दीज आर द वेरियस पैरामीटर. बाय विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस पैरामीटर वी कैन डिलीवर द और डिटरमाइन द रेट ऑफ आइंटोप्रोसेस. नाउ सिलेक्शन ऑफ ड्रग कैंडिडेट. कौन सी ड्रग कैंडिडेट को हम आइंटोप्रोसेस के द्वारा दे सकते हैं? दीज आर द वेरियस पैरामीटर. फर्स्ट वन इज द इफेक्टिव कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ड्रग शुड बी लो. द हाफ लाइफ ऑफ ड्रग शुड बी शॉर्ट. बायोलॉजिकल हाफ लाइफ कम होना चाहिए. एंड द एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट शुड नॉट हैव ए स्किन टॉक्सिसिटी. चूंकि स्किन के थ्रू देना है तो स्किन टॉक्सिसिटी नहीं होना चाहिए. As a diffusion of drug through the polymer as well as skin is depend on the molecular size. The drug of low molecular size be preferred. The drug should have low molecular point, melting point. Melting point भी कम होना चाहिए. And drug which degraded in the GIT tract or inactivated by the hepatic first pass effect are suitable candidate for transdermal drug delivery system. So these are the various parameter by which we can select the suitable drug candidate for the iontophoretic drug delivery system. These are various commercially developed iontophoretic system already available in the market that is approved by the NDA or FDA. JQT for the migraine, Ensys, Ledocite, Iontocan, Imti-Ledopel, Foresis 2. These are various commercially available iontophoretic product. Various pharmaceutical company are working nowadays like Vela Lab that is available in the Spain. So this company is also working currently on the iontophoretic product. Various researching working on new technique like smartphone based drug delivery by iontophoresis. So we can control the drug delivery by smartphone. We can switch on the we can deliver the medication with the help of smartphone, or we can anytime we can terminate with the help of smartphone. Various research is going on under this topic like smartphone powered iontophoresis, micro needle array patch for controlled transdermal delivery, use of iontophoresis for treatment of cancer and many disease. Iontophoresis are going to utilize. If anybody want to plan the iontophoretic research, so how to plan the work? Firstly, it can we start with exhaustive literature survey on the topic, then pre-formulation study like solubility, partition coefficient, pK can be done, then intrinsic permeability of drugs by passive and permission and INDO process. इंट्रेंसिक परमिशनबिलिटी चेक करेंगे INDO प्रोसेस से कितना चेंजेस आ रहा है. कैरी आउट द परमिशन एट डिफरेंट ड्रग कंसंट्रेशन लेवल. कैरी आउट द INDO प्रोसेस परमिशन डिफरेंट करंट डेंसिटी. डिफरेंट कंसंट्रेशन पर चेक करते हैं, डिफरेंट करंट डेंसिटी पर भी हम कर सकते हैं. एंड देन वी कैन सी द कंबाइंड इफेक्ट ऑफ नेचुरल एनहांसर एंड INDO प्रोसेस. assess the permission of parameter by passive and INDO process. परमिशन पैरामीटर्स फ्लेक्स हैं उनको पैसिव के द्वारा और INDO प्रोसेस के द्वारा, दोनों के द्वारा हम चेक करते हैं और क्या डिफरेंस आ रहा है, INDO प्रोसेस से कितना एनहांसमेंट हो रहा है, क्या एनहांसमेंट रेशियो है, कितना बेनिफिट हमको INDO प्रोसेस से मिल रहा है, वो यहाँ चेक करते हैं. कंपेयर and analyze the result with passive, and then we can go for the formulation like transdermal gel development, in vitro evaluation, and then in vivo evaluation. Then we can go for the clinical development. So this तरीके से हम INDO प्रोटेक्ट के वर्क को प्लान कर सकते हैं. This is the photograph of DC source I have used in the study. DC source को कैसे यूज किया, and I have also designed the INDO protect diffusion cell for this study. this तरीके से यूज कर सकते हैं. For the passive permission we have to use simple conventional diffusion cells. diffusion cell की हेल्प से हम passive permission को डिटरमाइन करेंगे. And for the INDO protect permission we use this modified INDO protect cell that is designed by the Glickfield et al. The apparatus consists of glass molded large receiving chamber having two parallel ports on the top side and one sampling port on the side. Skin tied in the manner to touch the receiving chamber. यहाँ बीच में skin को tight कर देते हैं. Depending upon the quality of drug donor solution filled in the one of the top chamber. पॉजिटिव है तो पॉजिटिव के अंदर, नेगेटिव है तो नेगेटिव इलेक्ट्रोड के अंदर हम ड्रग सॉल्यूशन को फिल करते हैं. सिल्वर प्लेट रिप्रेजेंट, इसमें सिल्वर क्लोराइड के इलेक्ट्रोड को यूज किया है. सिल्वर प्लेट रिप्रेजेंटिंग एनोइडल इलेक्ट्रोड एंड सिल्वर क्लोराइड कोटेड सर्व एज ए कैथोड. सिल्वर क्लोराइड कैथोड की तरह सर्व करता है. डायरेक्ट करंट एट द डिफरेंट करंट डेंसिटी कैन बी अप्लाई एज द बैटरी स्विच ऑन. Current flow or like charge repel each other and it will repel and goes into the receptor fluid, and then we can collect the sample from the receiving chamber for the assay of the concentration. For in vivo study we can plan the in vivo study, we can withdraw the sample and assess the permission by the passive permission and by the INDO process permission. What the difference we are getting we can calculate by the INDO process. So transdermal drug delivery system market is primarily driven by the growing insistence of chronic disorder that cannot be treated through the conventional delivery system such as oral drug. Chronic disease काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, like diabetes, hypertension, Alzheimer, dementia. तो सभी लोग चाहते हैं सेल्फ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पॉसिबल हो, है ना. इसके लिए ट्रांसडर्मल पैच और इस तरीके की जो INDO प्रोसेस रिसर्च हैं that can be beneficial for the patients. That's the conclusion. Various research I have done on this topic in the various reputed journal and elsewhere in Bentham Science and various other international publisher. In one book also available written by me on the Amazon on this relevant topic, INDO protect drug delivery system. So anyone can see, or if anybody want to take help in this regard, you can contact me through the email. Thank you, sir, for inviting me on such a wonderful platform. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir, for your very informative and expertise lecture that is very useful and easy to understand for all our pharmacy professionals and students. This will definitely very useful for our listeners and viewers too. I request all the listeners and viewers to please put your queries, if any, related to this talk in chat box, please. We will reply very soon. Before closing the session, once again, I heartily thankful to our today's expert, Professor Dr. Ashish Jain sir, who accept our invitation on very short period of time and sharing his valuable expertise for the budding pharma professionals. Thank you, sir, and thanks to all for connecting with this lecture series. I'm very thankful to you all. Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you.